Are you torn between the DJI Air 3S and the Mini 4 Pro? Well, you're not alone. DJI has been hitting it out of the park lately, making it tougher than ever for drone enthusiasts and travelers to choose their perfect aerial companion. In today's video, we're pitting these two powerhouse drones head-to-head, breaking down features, performance, and use cases so you can figure out which one truly deserves a spot in your gear bag. Whether you're a pro aiming to elevate your shots or a casual hobbyist looking for simplicity, this comparison will give you the clarity you need. Let's dive in and find your perfect drone match. Let's start with design and portability, two key factors for every drone user. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is all about ease of use and accessibility, weighing in at just 249 grams. Its lightweight build means it's easy to carry around and, more importantly, keeps you under that critical 250G limit, allowing you to skip extra regulations in most countries. Perfect for the casual flyer who just wants to grab their drone, head out, and start shooting without a lot of hassle. On the other hand, the DJI Air 3S is a bit heftier at 724 grams, which puts it in a different regulatory category. In the US, you'll need to register it with the FAA, and similar requirements apply in the UK and EU. However, that extra weight brings a sturdier build and advanced features, ideal if you're looking for something a bit more powerful. Now, onto the camera capabilities. If top-tier image quality is what you're after, the Air 3S shines. It boasts a dual camera system with a 1-inch wide-angle sensor and a medium telephoto lens, both capturing 10-bit 4K video at 60 frames per second. The larger sensor excels in low-light conditions, making it a game-changer for pros who need high-quality shots in dark environments. Plus, it offers raw photo capture and up to 120 frames per second for slow-motion video. Meanwhile, the Mini 4 Pro holds its own with a single camera setup. It features a 1/1.3-inch sensor that can record 4K at 60 frames per second and offers 120 frames per second slow motion. While it doesn't match the Air 3S's dual camera system, it's more than capable of delivering beautiful footage, perfect for those who prioritize simplicity and want a capable, easy-to-use drone. Safety is a top priority when flying drones, and both the DJI Air 3S and Mini 4 Pro come loaded with features to keep your flights worry-free. Both models feature DJI's GPS-based return-to-home and reliable obstacle avoidance systems, which provide an extra layer of security. However, the Air 3S takes things up a notch with its advanced LiDAR-powered sensors, which enable superior obstacle detection, especially useful in low-light conditions or challenging terrains. It's like having an extra set of eyes while flying, making it an ideal choice for pros tackling complex shoots that require precision and crash-free operation. The Mini 4 Pro, though slightly more compact, also impresses with its omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Its smaller size and lighter weight, however, make it a bit less stable in high winds or rugged environments. For hobbyists or casual users who tend to fly in more controlled settings, the Mini 4 Pro is a solid and safe option. When it comes to flight time, the DJI Air 3S pulls ahead with up to 45 minutes of flight on a single charge in optimal conditions. This means more time to capture the perfect shot or explore new areas without constant recharging. Plus, the Fly More combo includes extra batteries, giving you extended flight time if you need it. The Mini 4 Pro offers a respectable 34 minutes of flight time with its standard battery, but you can extend this to 46 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, though this does push its weight above 250 grams, meaning you lose that ultra-lightweight advantage. In short, whether you're looking for maximum safety, extended flight time, or a balance of both, each drone has something to offer based on your flying style and environment. Now let's talk about price. The DJI Air 3S starts at around $1,099, and if you go for the Fly More combo with the upgraded controller, it'll cost you about $1,599. It's a serious investment, but for that price, you're getting professional-grade features like dual cameras, advanced obstacle avoidance, and extended flight times. Ideal for users who need high-performance gear that can handle challenging environments. The Mini 4 Pro, however, is a more budget-friendly option, starting at $759 with the RC N2 controller and going up to $959 with the upgraded setup. While it doesn't match the Air 3S in every feature, it's an impressive option at a lower price point with excellent camera capabilities, intelligent flight modes, and solid obstacle avoidance. If you're after pro-level features, advanced tech, and don't mind the extra cost and paperwork, the DJI Air 3S is absolutely worth the investment. But if you want something lightweight, easy to use, and with fewer regulatory requirements, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is your best bet. It's a compact powerhouse that's perfect for beginners or casual flyers who still want great performance without breaking the bank or dealing with added weight. Now we want to hear from you. If you had to pick one, which drone would you choose? Let us know in the comments which features matter most to you. That wraps up our comparison of the DJI Air 3S and the Mini 4 Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth drone comparisons and reviews. Thanks for watching.